Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thanks for stopping by today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of that annoying airbag light after you put in aftermarket seats using what came in the mail in this bag here. So let's get into it. All right, so let's start by checking out what I got here. This is AIRBAG 360. They're Nissan. I think this works in the 350Z. I think it also works in the 370Z, but don't quote me on that. But you can go to their website, AIRBAG 360. You can check out what they have for your car. But apparently, you just plug this in, and it's going to be on the passenger side, and should fix my problem. So let's see if it works. Phone. We're gonna see if it works. As you can see, the door's working. Everything's working, which is great. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. Oh man, it blinked. So let's try this again. All right, after looking at a couple other things, I'm gonna try a different type of sequence. So let's try this. Gonna stay off? Oh yeah, baby, it stayed off. Woo-wee. No big deal. Just had to fiddle with it a little bit. Pretty much you just do it 4 times. So on, wait until it starts to flash and like turns off, and then you shut it off, and then you do it again. You do that 4 times, and then you start the car, and boom, it's reset. Very cool. Still got all my other lights, but whatever. Nah, there's not that many lights. Alright guys, I've been driving for a little bit now, and the light still hasn't come back on, so I think we're gonna call this a win. And I will drop a link to where you can find these in the description. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but if this helps you out, you know, go ahead, feel free to use it. Thanks, and I will see you on the next video.